On site is Asta. It really is now just it's just second nature to our project managers. It's not if we do a program, it's when are you going to deliver the program to me, because they absolutely see the benefits of it. Why did I choose Asta? First and foremost, it seemed to be the choice of most of the bigger players in the construction market. Microsoft Project was a product that I looked at, but it seemed to be that when we spoke to Chris, I think initially, Chris came in. He not only was he very proactive at the front end, he came in and delivered an excellent product demonstration. The problem, if I've learnt anything about buying software, you're always you sit and you get blown away by it. It's only when you really get into using the software that you can see how it can help you. And unfortunately, you have to take the punt with that. A caring attitude. Whoever I've dealt with at Asta, and as I said, it's the absolute truth. It's as if you care about me as a customer. Nothing's too much trouble. You're very proactive and very professional in the way you deal with me and also with the contract managers. Okay, so we bought Asta. We started to use it, quite limited in what we did at the outset, but now to the point where I think it is the bedrock of how we deliver our projects. What does it do? It does demonstrate our professionalism. It helps us to be viewed as a professional company in the main contracting marketplace. It helps us to properly resource projects. We're just really getting into now to the labour resourcing side of it, and it's amazing what a great tool it is when now we're starting using it. Progress reporting. The one thing for me is this is the best part of it, to enable me to report to a contractor where we're at, tell him where we need to be in a couple of weeks, what he needs to do for us. It really is just a fantastic tool. Brendan probably won't like to hear this, but it's a fantastic tool for claim preparation. Well, unfortunately, the way the world we're in, and in the main contracting marketplace, we do, appoint adjudicators every now and then. The one thing I'll say is when these documents tend to be put in front of them, they believe them, and 9 times out of 10 because they're absolutely accurate. So it's very good from that perspective for us. It gives us that element of protection. Puts, and I put in brackets, poor quality. Main contractors on the back foot. Your Costains, your Carillions, your Interserves, your Lango Rorks, they expect us to deliver this to them. They expect to see progress reports done. They expect to see, for us to let them know what we're going to be doing in the next few weeks. The poor quality ones, if I've heard it once, I've heard it a dozen times. We don't want you to send me these progress reports every 2 weeks. I always retort by saying, why? Well, you keep telling us what we're not doing. And I just say, well, do it then. It's quite simple, but we try and put a slant on it by saying, look, we're not just about what's happened up to now, it's what we need you to do in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks. Unfortunately for them, for builders, M&E works is very much on the critical path. And if we get delayed, 9 times out of 10 the project will be delayed. Okay, so that's what Asta does for us. For me, it's just a fantastic tool.